as a facilitator, how do I hold that space? How do I design that space of inquiry for my learners? So teacher facilitator तो बन गया है, but अब वो facilitate क्या करे? So the teachers, when they go through the level 1 journey, they have understood how to become from a sage on the stage to being a guide by the side. So they move from being a teacher to being a facilitator of learning. But what do they really facilitate the learning about? The level 2 program is for these facilitators to become a designer of learning. How do I design that space of inquiry for my learners so that they're brimming with those inquiries and they become not just someone who's coming to receive the knowledge, but they're creating their own knowledge in the classrooms.
It was totally different for me because here I found that I have to remove that cap of facilitator too. Now I have to wear the cap of the learner. So it was totally different because here we have to create the curiosity and we have to be the learner here and we have to make the teacher to the students. So that was a totally different for me.
We tried to incorporate many other subjects, so it became multidisciplinary or interdisciplinary, however we want to put it. And the students got a lot of autonomy over their learning, ownership over what they did. And the outcomes were really beautiful. Like they came up with such research work which amazed the entire class.
Before that, what was our process like? Okay, today I have to talk about this topic and then I have to give my content, what is my knowledge, and that's it. But this time the knowledge should be come from whom we are teaching. Like it is like that totally based on the learners. It's not about our learning, it's about what they actually want, what place they want. So the perspective is totally changed now.